And right now, we do have the potential to see severe weather later this week. But before we get there, we have to talk about still a little bit of winter. And this morning, there's even been some of it showing up with some snow showers or flurries, perhaps trying to get going here down in the south, though moisture has been lacking. So maybe just some flurries coming out or none of it at all as it's getting to, or it's just evaporating before it hits the surface. We do have clouds in overhead, though, to start the day. Those will be clearing out, and we're actually going to have a pretty pleasant afternoon. Temperatures are starting off in the 20s and 30s, so a little bit on the cool side this morning, but should feel pretty nice later today, especially once the sun comes out and temperatures rise into the 40s to around 50 degrees. Later on tonight, then, we are going to start with clear skies, and then clouds start to move back in overhead, and we have to watch for the potential of some additional snow showers. Today, though, going to be nice and quiet for the most part, light winds, plenty of sunshine, temperatures feel nice and pleasant out there. And then as we get into tonight after about 2 a.m., snow starts to develop in the northern part of the area and then pushes down to the south. There could be some minor snowfall accumulation, a couple tenths of an inch, especially in grassy areas, and we'll then have this pass on by, but we'll be left behind with some colder air for the remainder of the day tomorrow. Things quickly change, though, as we head into the end of the week, and we go from temperatures being around normal today near 50, dropping down to the 40s tomorrow, and then up around 60 degrees Thursday and nearly 70 degrees on Friday as a strong storm system comes through and brings in some more springy weather. We do get knocked back down behind it on Saturday, but just telling of the strength of the system. We're going to have a warm front lifting north. Warmer air starts to move in. Some showers come in Thursday, and then on Friday, thunderstorms become more likely. And we are going to have the ingredients in place that do lead to some concern for severe weather as we have a low pressure system moving across the state, a lot of moisture getting pulled in from the Gulf of Mexico, and a strong jet streak. So this is an area of incredibly strong winds in the upper levels of the atmosphere, and that generates wind shear. So as the winds are changing with height and direction as you go up in the atmosphere, that creates spin that can lead to these storms producing strong wind gusts, hail, as well as a potential for tornadoes. The Storm Prediction Center has been monitoring the area for this threat of severe weather for several days now, and we're in this area of likely severe weather, but there's still some question marks on the exact location as well as the timing of all of this for Friday. So we still have some things we have to sort out, but we do know that severe weather is likely in the region. Strong winds and hail are going to be the most likely threats, with tornadoes being possible. We don't know the exact timing or the exact area or how widespread the threat is going to be, but certainly enough cause for concern that we are going to be keeping an eye on things for Friday. We'll have, though, first, a pleasant day today, chance for snow tomorrow morning, and a cool day up ahead. Temperatures start to rise. We'll have showers and thunderstorms between Thursday and Friday, that potential for strong and severe thunderstorms, and then we cool down Saturday, bouncing back up to around 60 Sunday and Monday.